Hello, this Lockman here. Today I have this Japanese lock. This one is called Lockman Megacross, and it's a lock with two rows of pins, and it's the first Japanese lock that I'm picking in my channel. I have a few. These are usually very well made and have nice tolerances. This one is very fun to pick. I've picked it a few times and now I'm going to pick it for you. So to pick this lock, I'm going to put this tensioner here. I could tension either way. I'm going to tension this way. The two rows are one on top. Let me show you. There's one there, and then there's this one right here. You can see the pins of the one here on the left, and then there's one on the top that you can see as easily. See if I can show you. There's a pin there. See? So one on top and one on the side. This lock has this springiness to it because it has a mechanism to keep it straight. I'll show you once I get it. I'm going to start by picking the top row. Has a really nice feedback and really nice counter rotation. And here you go. It's open. Now let's try to get this. First I'm going to show you the key so you can see the two rows. One here, 5 pins, and then there's the top row here. Four pins. Total of 9 pins. So this is how it's usually assembled on the doors. I'm going to remove the housing and show you the inside portion, the main portion of the lock. So this is the main portion of the lock. You can see there are these removable top plates. I'm going to try not to remove, so not to damage them. I'm going to try to get it as is. So you can see these both the rows, and 5 chambers on one side, 4 on the other, and we have this groove here, and we have this ball bearing that sits here, and this very strong spring. These ball bearing and spring sit on the Bible, and they force the core to force the plug to sit in position, so it won't wobble, keeps it straight. Very nice system that many Japanese locks use. Very nice lock, and most of these locks from this brand Lockman that I've seen have this kind of drivers, mushroom drivers. There are also others that I know that exist that are a bit different, bit more special. But these are very nice drivers. They give really nice deep falsets and really nice counter rotation. It's very nice, very very fun lock to pick. And here you have it. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.